Well, hello everybody. We're off on a little Sunday afternoon ride here in the mountains of North Georgia on Old Georgia Highway 76. We're heading east toward Blairsville, Georgia. This is old Chainsawbob talking to you. And ain't no big ride, just a little ride, just a little something to get out and get me out of the house the day before my birthday. So let's go on down the road here a little bit.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy dance banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the sides of Canada can't spray away the truth, 'cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops.